hurts that haven't been taken care of, that cause lies and living errors, interfere with relationships and other things. The next one is lies. Are you accepting lies? What is this world full of? Lies. I mean, they're everywhere. Please stop and question what's coming into your brain. And the last one that's all dark. Denial. Oh no, I'm fine. Everything's fine. I'm just fine. Freaked out, neurotic, insecure, neurotic, and emotional. Right? Okay. Now, take and share with you, if you will. Take one of them, put it over your face, pain-colored glasses. So these are wounds or injuries from the past that you haven't dealt with that still kind of haunt you and cause you relational problems, and you're making bad choices because you think you're not valuable and nobody loves you and God can't and God won't. Look around. Now, if I came running up to you for a hug, are you scared? I mean, you could be. Okay? You don't know. You can't see my smile. It's all distorted. Okay? Now put two of them on. Lies and wounds. Not the denial. Not yet. Okay, now, pick something up off the floor. Yeah, right. Okay? Now add denial on top of that. I'm giving you a hug. I'm giving you a hug. Not only can you not see me, you'll probably turn around and I'll bang into you. Then you'll be really mad at me. Okay, now take those three masks. Put the shiny side, put them all together. Put the shiny side toward you and hold it about 4 to 6 inches away from your face. What do you see? No, look at what's on the reflection. Oh, what's reflected? You, that's right. When you have paint-colored glasses from wounds and lies and denial, what do you see? Only self. You become so self-involved. Oh me, what's going to happen to me? You can't see the hope, the beauty, the promise that God has for you. Paint-colored glasses are very detrimental. And that's what we see physically, medically, in the clinic. We see the effects